Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm doing a tutorial using some products that were created in collaboration with a makeup brand, the IGXO beauty brand, and Channon Rose. She's got a YouTube channel and she came out with two products, the liquid lipstick and cake and also a 4-pan eyeshadow palette. The palette is something that's very recent. The liquid lipstick has been out for several months already, and I got the bundle on the IGXO website, which I will link down for you below, for $29. And Shannon's channel she's got some beauty stuff, but then she also does a lot of vlogs, like daily vlogs and like lifestyle type of things. And I really have enjoyed watching her videos and just kind of seeing into her life, because she's very open with a lot of things. She vlogs in her home, and she's also shared her infertility struggles, her pregnancy, and her one surviving embryo that was previously frozen is now her daughter, who is just a few months old. She's absolutely beautiful, that little girl. I just want to squeeze her so badly because she's so cute. But she shared that with everybody that watches her channel and has subscribed to her and social media. And it's just really nice to be able to see into someone's life like that, such a personal level. And so, because I've been keeping up with her and I have subscribed to her channel, I decided that I was going to try these products out and kind of support another YouTuber, another mom, and just kind of see what these products are like. She recently did a video about the eyeshadows and did a tutorial using it. I do like the packaging. I think it's really pretty. Her middle name is Rose, so that's why there's roses on there, but it says Channon Rose. It's a 4-color eyeshadow palette. And then on the back, she has a sweet message saying, sending you all my love and positive energy, CR, which is her ending to her videos. Her and her husband, I think they're funny as well. I have a good time watching their videos and just kind of seeing just things about them recently having a baby, because I'm going to be having a baby soon, and it's just kind of nice to tune in to those types of videos. The palette has a mirror, which I won't blind you, but then here are the 4 colors. You have joy, love, gratitude, and positivity. And then you also get the liquid lipstick in cake. This is one of the shades that she had. The other one sold out, and I'm not quite sure if it's back in stock yet, but this one has a really nice little case that you can actually keep if you wanted to. And then there's the liquid lipstick that says Channon Rose on there as well. And it has a magnetic closure, really cute little box, which she has mentioned that is something that you could save. The formula is cruelty-free and vegan as well, because she is a food vegan, so that's good to know. The liquid lipstick has a really good doe foot applicator. It seems like a really nice, like everyday kind of color, and she says that this is not going to dry out the lips, even though it is a matte finish. That looks like a color that I can see myself wearing every single day. And I like how you can actually keep the box and store something, and then you can maybe take out the insert, possibly. If not, you could just kind of keep your lipstick in there and kind of keep it on your vanity, or if you're getting ready in your bathroom and you want to leave it out. It's really, really cute. Love the little rose details on there. Really nice. So my lids have been primed off camera. I use the Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filt'r Invisipink primer, and I'm going to set that a little bit just because this does have a subtle kind of tacky feel to it. So I'm going to use the shade called Love, which is the lightest shade in the palette, and it's kind of like a cream color. And I'm going to be applying that with a fluffy brush. These are the Sigma E25. I have the old numbering on this one, and then I have a newer one. So I'm going to take the Love shade. And there is a little bit of kick up when you put your brush in there, but that's to be expected. A lot of brands do that. I don't really personally feel like that's something to knock the product off. I think it's more of how it wears and how it easily blends. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that cream color all over my lids. I'm going to start with the color called Joy. That seems like a really nice color. It's a soft kind of peach that I could use pretty much every single day, which I like colors like that because it makes getting ready easy. I'm going to apply that with the Morphe R37 brush, picking that up. And again, there is the kickback, and I will, hopefully my camera will focus. There it is. There's the kickback that I'm talking about, but I've experienced that with brands that are more expensive, so it doesn't bother me. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner of my lids, and then I'm going to start working that back and forth. And if I come up a little higher with that color, that's okay too, because it'll create a bit of like a peachy kind of glow that surrounds the darker shades that I'm going to add here in a little bit. But it's actually a really pretty color. Like you could just do this and throw on some liner and mascara and be done. Really pretty peach. And I do like the fact that it is pigmented and it transfers from the pan to your eyes very well, and it works quickly to give you a look, but it also blends out quite nicely, which I think really will help if you're getting ready in the mornings and you're kind of pressed for time. Having difficult to work with eyeshadows is really not something that I personally care for, especially if I had to get ready to go to work and be somewhere early in the morning. I wouldn't want to mess with it, so I do appreciate that these work well. I'm taking the same cream shadow that I used in the beginning, and I'm going to go around the peach. Now I'm going to switch to a Sigma E25 brush that looks like this, and I'm going to go in with the shade called Positivity, which is the lightest of the two towards the bottom. And this is going to go right on the outer corner, and you can see it does add a lot of definition to this area. Then I'm going to go back and forth, just kind of blend that right into the Joy shade. Now I'm going to take that same Positivity shade and I'm going to run that on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take some of the Gratitude, which is the darker brown, with a pencil brush. This is the MAC 219. And I'm going to add that as well to the lower lash line, right on this outer corner here, just to kind of make it kind of smoky. And we're going to blend it out here in a little bit. Whoa, that one is like super pigmented. I wasn't expecting that one. And to blend out the lower lash line, I'm going to use the E36 from Sigma. Looks like this. It's a very thin and wispy brush that's really good to add a little bit of extra color to kind of surround your crease work. I'm going to take the shade called Joy, which is the peach, and I'm going to go underneath the lower lash line and just soften the edges of that dark color and also add a little bit more peach to the look. Now you could definitely leave the look like this, but I do have one more shade, the Gratitude, that I have to add to the outer corner. And for that I'm going to use the Morphe M506 brush. Kind of take a little bit of that. Tread softly with that one because that one is quite pigmented. And I'm just going to stamp it and darken up this outer V area. You can also use it for liner, which I think I'm going to do myself as well. And then I'm going to go back in with that brush that I used for Positivity and blend out those edges. And then because we did quite a bit of blending, I'm going to go back in with the Love shade, which is the cream, and I'm going to add that to my lids with a MAC 239 brush, which is just a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to pick up a little bit of that and then just kind of press that. Whoa. Holy. Definitely much more pigmented using a brush like this, or maybe even your finger as well. And then I'm just going to kind of pat where those two shades meet to kind of soften and blend both of those together. And I can see myself reaching for this, especially after I have my baby, because this was pretty easy to do, to blend, add these colors, and not a lot of work, which I love. I'm going to add a little bit more of the Gratitude right close to the base of my lashes, right on this side, because I feel like this eye was a little bit darker. And then I'm going to use an angled liner brush. This is the Mikasa E100 brush. And I'm going to take the dark brown, and that's going to be my liner. I'm just going to kind of stamp it here, close to the lashes. You know what? Let's go ahead and add some Love with a clean pencil brush, which is that light cream color in the inner corner. And see, when I need a clean brush, I can't seem to find one. So I'm going to take the Love, and I'm going to add that right into this inner corner right in here to sort of brighten this look up. And now I can finish the look with some mascara. I'm busting out a new tube of my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. You guys know how much I love this. I adore this. I cannot wait to put this new tube on. It's such a good mascara. It's my favorite one. And when you use a new tube for the first time, it's like, yes. So I'm going to add this, and then we're going to try this lip out. Alright, so I need to complete the look, and I'm going to use the Cake Liquid Lipstick. And I'm not going to add any lip liner. I'm going to try to use just the applicator and see how that works. I did remove my lip balm because my lips have been so dry that I'm like loading my lips up with lip balm, Aquaphor, Vaseline, all kinds of stuff. So the doe foot applicator, I'm going to wipe off some of this because with liquid lipsticks you want to do a very thin layer. And the doe foot applicator is flat. You guys can see there on the side. And then that's another look at it as well. That actually might help with the lines, like following your lip line. And it smells yummy. It smells like cake actually. Okay, so far it hasn't quite dried down yet. It does feel very lightweight on the lips, and I love the smell of it. I love cake, so I like the smell of it. And maybe that's why they named it Cake. I don't know. The color is really nice and pretty. It is a little bit brighter than what I thought. I still think it looks true to what you see in the tube. I think this lip color actually works well with the tones of the eyeshadow palette. That may have been an intentional thing that she did. Maybe the shadow palette was always in the works. Who knows? But I do like this. I'm going to have to report back on the wear time on that and how it actually feels throughout the day. I've seen her apply this and then use some lip balm over it to make it kind of glossy, which is another great thing about liquid lipsticks. You can use a matte, or you can add it to a gloss, or mix it into other products and kind of customize your own color. You can change the finish of it, which is really great. And I do really enjoy the applicator. I do feel like it helped apply the product quite nicely. And I did go back and spend some time kind of perfecting the lip line, and it worked well. I didn't feel like I needed to bring in a lip liner or a lip brush, so that's a really good thing. And I'm really hoping, fingers crossed, that I enjoy the formula, because I'm not a big fan of liquid lipstick, and I've talked about that before. There's only just a few that I actually feel like are comfortable and that I could wear for a decent amount of time. And I hope that tomorrow I don't have like the shriveled up raisin kind of dry lip feel, which I get all the time with most liquid lipstick, which is why I stick to my glosses. So far, really have enjoyed this. I love the way the eye look came out. These are definitely tones that I could see myself wearing every single day. In fact, I do wear tones like this pretty frequently anyways. It's just easy to apply. I don't really have to think about it. These sort of tones go with any look that you're trying to achieve, whether it's soft or natural, or more glam and definitely more smoky. You can mix in other shadows, pigments. You can put some glitter if you're going out at night over the top. I mean, there's so much versatility with colors like this, and I really enjoy it. I also like how thin the packaging is, so if you had a very small makeup bag, you don't have to worry about this taking up a lot of space, or if you travel a lot. I know it's a little ways from now, but summertime is coming up, and that's a huge season for people to travel. This, I can see myself traveling with this and using these colors. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had fun doing this video for you guys and trying out these products, and also supporting another YouTuber, supporting another woman, and just kind of sharing that with you guys. If you are interested in checking out her channel, I'll have it linked for you down below. Also, if you're interested in ordering any of these products, I did not mention in the beginning, but both of these I think are available individually. So if you wanted the liquid lipstick, I'm going to say it's like $18 or so. And I'm not sure about this individual price point, but together it's $29. So I feel like why not just try both? So yeah, those will be linked down for you below. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified for new videos. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. It's always somewhere on the screen. Hope to see you there and hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.